Did you know that in the vacuum of space, two clean metal surfaces can permanently bond together without any heat, adhesive, or external force? It's called cold welding, and it's one of the strangest phenomena astronauts and spacecraft engineers have to worry about up there. Here's why it happens. On Earth, every metal surface is coated with a protective oxide layer, a thin film created when oxygen in our air reacts with the metal. This invisible shield prevents metals from actually touching each other. But in space's vacuum, there's no oxygen, so this protective layer never forms. When clean metal surfaces meet in vacuum, the atoms have no way of knowing they're two separate pieces. When atoms from one metal surface come into contact with atoms from another in vacuum, something remarkable happens. They share electrons and form permanent metallic bonds, fusing the two pieces into one solid mass. This cold weld is just as strong as if you'd melted the metals together with a blowtorch, but it happens instantly at room temperature. This wasn't just theory, it caused a real disaster in 1991 when NASA's Galileo spacecraft reached Jupiter. 3 ribs of its umbrella-shaped high-gain antenna had cold welded together during launch vibrations and refused to deploy. The antenna was stuck, forcing NASA to use a backup system that was only 0.01% as effective. The spacecraft still made its mission, but it was a close call. And here's the craziest part. Cold welding is so powerful that engineers now design spacecraft parts with coatings and lubricants specifically to prevent unwanted cold welds. But scientists are also learning to harness it. They're testing cold welding as a way to repair spacecraft damage in space without needing heat, making emergency hull repairs possible in the vacuum. Want to learn more mind-blowing facts about space and science? Visit Sikho.ai.